Guys, today is a new video about the Snapchat application, and right now we will talk about how to remove someone from your best friends list. Let's check it. So let's open our Snapchat app. Let's go to this chat section here, and guys, as you can check, we have the only one best friend. So unfortunately, I need to say that the Snapchat app doesn't have the specific option to remove somebody from your best friends list. So the first and the most convenient way to delete someone from this special list is to stop the conversation of this person for a few days or a few weeks. After, the Snapchat app will automatically disable and delete this person from your best friends list, and we don't have any troubles. But unfortunately, right now we don't have any way to delete someone from this list from the best friends. Let's check it. When I will remove manage friendship and remove friend, tapping on the remove. So we deleted our friend definitely. Let's refresh our chats list. We don't have this friend here. Let's search for this person. This is our old best friend. Let's set its name on the list. Java, Python. This is our old friend. Right now we are not friends. Let's click on the add friend. And right now, guys, as you can check, we are already best friends. So you definitely cannot in any way disable this option best friends. Is the tag that will appear, that will be near this person every time we will have conversation. So the first and the one option to disable this tag is to stop messaging with the selected person at all. Unfortunately, guys, I hope that this tutorial was interesting and definitely useful. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool tutorials and tricks about the Snapchat and other programs. So goodbye, guys. Good luck.